Hello Maryland team, we miss you.
Hi Maryland team, we miss you. We love you. God love you.
Hi Maryland team, this is JR. How are you guys? God bless and see you soon.
Hi Maryland Mission team, we miss you guys. I miss you Tita Connie, Tita Debbie, Jake, G, Mariel, and also you Adam. We miss you. Hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hi Maryland team, we miss you and we love you and we're looking forward to seeing you once again here in the Philippines. Hi to all.
Hello guys, we miss you. See you soon. Thank you for being an inspiration. God bless.
Hi mom, hi dad. Miss you. I'm not feeling good today, but by God's grace, I'm healed. See you soon, and really miss you guys. Love you.
I miss you, Maryland team. See you there. I will be there in God's time.
Hi Maryland team, how are you guys? You know what? I am happy that I was with you for the past 2 weeks, and I hope to see you soon. We love you. I miss you so much, guys. God bless. Hi pa. Hi ma. Regards to Zach. God bless.
Hi Maryland team, we miss you and I love you. Hi Maryland team, we miss you guys. Thank you for sharing your life to us. I learned a lot from you guys. Thank you. See you soon.
To the Maryland team, hello. I had no chance to say goodbye because it's not yet goodbye. So let's continue to update each other, add sa Facebook, and I hope that all of you are doing well in Maryland. See you soon.
Hello, Maryland Mission team. We missed you. We're looking forward to see you again soon.
Hello, Maryland missionaries. We miss you so much. Thank you for being such a blessing to this church family. You are blessed to be a blessing, and we just bless you in the name of Jesus. We love you, we miss you, and we love you.
Hi Maryland team, we miss you guys. See you again next year.
Hi Maryland Mission team. Oh, I thank God for the blessing that you've been to this church. You've brought in a spirit of gentleness and a spirit of peace. Thank God for that. And hopefully, we'll see you again next year. Or better, we will be the ones going to your place. Ain't that grand? Love you guys. See you again soon.